most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb.
Yo guys, what is going on? So I am finally here in the workshop. This is the continuation of my Supra build. I am at Yem Motor Tech. Now these guys work on awesome cars. They are currently working on a GTR, a few AMGs, and they are rebuilding a Supra. So I have come to the right place. Now I just want to say an awesome thanks to those guys for letting me come here and do some filming so I can show you guys the step-by-step process. Now these guys are located in Noble Park, and they've been around, Derek himself has been rebuilding engines for about 7 years. Yep, that is a long time now. That's nearly like 1/4 of my life, actually more than that. So it's really exciting. So we're gonna be taking the motor out of the car, and today we're gonna be checking the heads and both the bottom end through the inspection plates, through both the taking the header off and through the sump. So we're gonna find out exactly what is wrong. Now fingers crossed that I can reuse the crankshaft, because that is a big thing which will be a factor of whether my wallet goes empty or not. So I'm really excited to find out.
Trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal.
These are pretty high club.
Yeah, no. In my RX-7, it was awful to drive, and I'd every time. I was thinking maybe I'll just go back.
Maybe organic. Because you can get button clutch. I think it's like $100 difference again.
I don't like button clutches though. They're not drivable.
They're not nice to drive. They're pretty much like, you can see how this is like this.
Because
this doesn't look. This is not too bad for button clutch, but for organic, that's full roasted.
Oh really?
Yeah. This is designed for heat. The organic clutch would have like disintegrated by now.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is aftermarket too.
This is not. This is lightened.
Lightened?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Usually it's full solid.
Guys, so apparently the clutch is absolutely toast, which means it is gonna set me back even more money. God damn. Now I'm really considering, was this a good buy or not? It is apparent that we do have some HKS cams in the motor. So thank God this guy that I did buy the car off wasn't so dodgy after all. Everything in the motor specifications does seem to be proving to be quite honest, which is quite lucky. But we are still yet to go to the bottom end to see if the pistons and rods have been done. So I'm really keen to find out.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb.
The motor does a full 360-degree turn, so that means nothing is touching in the bottom end.
Ah, the moment of truth when the sump comes off finally. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
We'll see.
That's a lot of metal shavings.
It's a good bearing or two. I think that's...
Is that metal or rubber?
That's metal.
Oh my god. Guys. That is all metal shavings in my hand. Oh no. This is really bad, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Usually it's not that bad. That's like huge particles. Usually it's like micro flakes.
Alright guys, we came across some bad news. There were heaps of metal filings within the oil pickup. So it was literally a chunk. I could feel it in my hands and they were thick. It is the most distraught feeling seeing this. But as we go along, we're gonna be going deeper into it and see how it goes. As soon as I saw it, my heart kind of sank. I was kind of upset, but we're still going through. We're getting the bottom casing off now, so the second sump, and we're gonna check out how bad it is. Oh, this is an awful feeling. Oh my God.
As you can see here, the 6th bearing has been spun right here. It's literally ground to nothing.
Oh my God, can't stay this high. This high, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high. With you, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high. This high, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high. With you, yeah.
I just wanted to give a massive shout out and thanks to Derek and Chan for letting me film at their workshop. As mentioned before, not many people let you do these things, but they've let me be in the process of the build, and so you guys can see everything. If you guys liked what you saw, make sure you do hit that like and subscribe. Tomorrow I'm gonna be back there again with the boys, and we're gonna be conducting crack tests and washing the motor down so we can see the extent of the damage. So I'm really excited to share that with you. Thanks for watching, fam. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.